Okay, guys, we are going to create a coat of arms that represents a province from Canada. So in our Google Classroom, in Classwork tab, you will see the assignment coat of arms. When you click on the assignment, you will see three things there, other than the information that's part of it. You will see the information coat of arms Google Slides, and this is where you're going to put all of your information. Also, the instructions and the rubric are in this one. The coat of arms is where you're going to add your pictures and your videos to. And then the home of Canadian Encyclopedia, this will help you get your information. You could also use the CAMS North databases to find your resource. And remember, the username and password is CAMS North and Library. So slide 2 of the assignment is just the instructions. So you're going to design a coat of arms for one of the provinces of Canada. You are going to need to include the province's name at the top, and then in each of the pictures in each of the coat of arms, which is, if we go back down, this is the coat of arms. In this coat of arms, you will put a picture for each of the categories. And you can choose a picture. You can also do a video, because a video is, since we're doing this virtually or digitally, you are allowed to find videos and insert them in your coat of arms if you would like. But you want to find a picture or a video that reflects information or something important about the following categories. So it would be geography, current issues, culture, and history. Slide 3 is the rubric. Slide 4 is where you're going to take your notes and explain more detail about each of the categories. And then slide 5 is where you're going to tell me where you found your information. Now, you are going to need to pick one of the provinces. And one of the provinces I have here, I have provinces and territories listed. Remember, we're only doing provinces. I also gave you their capitals as well. So we have Alberta, British Columbia, Manitoba, New Brunswick, Newfoundland and Labrador, which that's all one, Nova Scotia, Ontario, Prince Edward Island, Quebec, and Saskatchewan. So these are the provinces that you may choose. Do not choose a territory. So the territories are Yukon, Nunavut, and Northwest Territory. So you don't want territory, you want one of the provinces. The rubric, you'll be graded on the attractiveness and the organization. Is it organized? Is it colorful? The symbols are your pictures and your videos. Did you have a picture for for geography? Did you do a picture for culture? Did you do a picture for a current issue? Did you do a picture for culture? I think history was the last one. And then explanation of the symbols, that is slide 4, where you explain what you picked and some facts about it. And then time and effort. Did you use your time wisely in class? So this is, if we go back, this is the explanation of symbols. So this is the explanation of symbols. So there are 4 categories: geography, culture, current issues, and history. Geography is physical geography. Are there mountains? Are there plains? Are there maybe even, I know, like Prince Edward Islands, they talked about the sandstone and how it's built on sandstone, and there's pictures of that. You are allowed to use that. So for number 1, that is where you are going to tell me the picture that you picked. So explain what picture/video you added to your coat of arms. Then 2, 3, and 4, so 2, 3, and 4 is 3 more information about geography. 2, 3, and 4 does not need to be part of geography about number 1. So like, I mean, it could be a whole new fact for number 2. about geography, a whole new fact about geography for number 3, and then a different fact for number 4. And you'll do that for culture. And then current issue is any issues that could be happening in your province. I know a current issue could be something with COVID. A current issue could be something with their government. It could be something, protests, things that are going on in that province that currently is happening. So again, number 1 being explaining the picture of the video, and then 3 facts. And then you'll do that for history. Again, history can be anything from who founded it, or why is it named what it's named, who is the governor of, or whatever is the head of the government at that for that province. Is that a special name? So that could be anything for history, and then 3 facts. In the middle is where you'll put your province's name. The last slide of the assignment is your sources page. So if you use a database, so if that's from the CAMS North database, you can put that here. Remember, if it has an asterisk, that means that you don't. That means that you do have to answer that one. The ones that do not have asterisks, you don't have to fill out. The reason for that is because most likely there isn't a name that you can find. So just the name of the database and the day that you viewed it. Book, you probably will not use a book. So you could even click and delete that table and add what if you need another database or a website. Now remember, I said that you could use the databases in for CAMS North. And if you look down, Britannica would be a good one. Even World Book would be a good one. So like I might put Alberta, and you might have to sign in. You probably will have to sign in. So it's CAMS North and Library. And then it talks about the province. And then you can click on it. You can read through it. You can have it read to you. You can use Britannica. You could use World Book. You could also use the encyclopedia to help you search. So maybe I want to do Alberta geography. And there's an article. So I can click on it and read about it. So here they're talking about, if you read, it says the Badlands of Alberta. Okay, well that's a landform. That is something about the geography. I can copy this picture, copy image, and put it in my coat of arms. Okay, so I can put that right into my coat of arms for geography. But then what I need to do is go back to the assignment, go back to the info, and what I would put for geography, I would put Alberta. Let's try that again. Alberta Badlands, and then I could say are found, and just keep typing. So okay, that's my picture, and then I can go back and I can read more information and add any more information that I find there.